YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Green Day. We are going to react to the song Holiday. This is the first time single take honest reaction.
First time single take honest reaction to this song titled Holiday. Every time I listen to Green Day, I love them. I love them a lot. Their music is thought-provoking, meaningful, and it's entertaining at the same time. You know, it's pulsating stuff. So usually we listen to a lot of thought-provoking stuff from Green Day. You know, whether it's Boulevard of Broken Dreams or Wake Me Up When September Ends or American Idiots or Idiot. Is it? But now it looks like we're going to listen to a fun song from them, Holiday. Perhaps they're going on a vacation, a holiday. They're going to let their hair down, relax, chill, have a good time. So this is going to be different from Green Day, I'm assuming. Something like Red Hot Chili Peppers maybe would do that a lot in their music catalog. Let's listen to Green Day's Holiday, both of us, for the first time. Uncut, always unscripted, impromptu, uncut, honest. That's what you get in every single reaction video of ours on YouTube. That's how it is.
Holidays are around the corner all over though.
Yeah, it's holiday festival, right?
Yeah, holidays are coming.
So it's a good song for the holiday season, I think. Let's listen to it.
Now like an Armageddon
Wow, Kirti, what are your thoughts on this song?
It's a neck pain song. It's a neck pain song.
They definitely are going on a holiday, but it's a different kind of holiday
They are going on a
than
holiday.
what I imagined.
Before that, they are creating a lot of trouble this side and going. Before the holiday, there is a lot to be done. So they are finishing the jobs and then going for the holiday. Yeah, I like the mix of the two. They are definitely going for some holiday, but they are settling the score before that. The Outlaws. They are trying to be the Outlaws. I used to wonder why there is so much fascination with outlaw, the term, especially in American music, maybe in America, in reality too. Outlaws here in India, we don't have a term that is, or anybody who calls themselves an outlaw. In fact, we have anarchist and an anarchism, which is not that cool as outlaws are created. Yeah, outlaws are created as if something cool. Here in India, we don't have outlaws because here, the kind of population that lives, anybody who's an outlaw is not looked at very well because it troubles a lot of people at once. One outlaw.
Yeah, this was great stuff from Green Day. Wow, this was refreshing. The music, especially the vocals. This is mind-boggling and awesome. Awesome to listen to the stuff like this. It's refreshing, from
It is.
a country that kind of represses its citizens every day.
Well,
and
they are on a holiday now.
even during the night. Here comes an artist that stands tall and wants to be different. And for me, the message is a little bit different from what Kirti said or what most people that part of the world may get. It's just simple. They want to break from it all.
I know they are fed up.
They're fed up.
Yeah.
They're just fed up of the manipulation. They're just fed up of the lies. They're just fed up of being toyed with, played with every single day of the year. They're fed up of whatever is fed to them through the news, morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever. Whichever way you want to look at it. They're fed up of it all. They're fed up of it all. And of course, in 2021, this kind of dictatorship, this kind of dominance in the West, specifically in America, is quite fierce. It's quite strong. It's quite fierce. It's quite powerful. It dictates terms to every single resident of that country, and it also controls the thinking patterns of so many other people, including us, because of decisions they make and because of how they influence things through their movies, music, etc., and the news mainly. So the narrative is set by them. They try to set the narrative. Here's Green Day saying enough of that. We are fed up. We are going on a holiday.
Yeah, on a holiday.
It's the start of a never-ending holiday. We are fed up. We're done with it. We're done with it. So that's for me is the main message. When will you stand up? Green Day is possibly asking an open-ended question to everyone else too by creating this song. When will every other American and every other human being stand up to this manipulation that is clearly being done in front of your very eyes? It's on your screens. It's on your mind. When will you stand up to this manipulation, to this greed, to this hatred, to this evil forces? That's when will you go on a holiday? When will you go on a holiday? When will you take a break from all this? So it's an important question. It's an important song and beautifully played. Arrangement is superb. Absolutely superb. It's a delight to listen to Green Day, as I said. And this song personifies that even more. I'm looking forward to listening. It's very rare that I look forward to listening to the next song of an artist. But when it comes to artists such as Green Day, I look forward to listening to the next song. And both of us. That's it for this one. That's it for this one. Thank you for the request. Goodbye.